finding someone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Today's video, I just thought I'd share with you guys a how to stay positive video. So if you are new here, then like and subscribe down below as always, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. So I've just made myself a coffee because it is very much needed. I always have one to de-stress myself, and I just find this a good way to make myself feel a bit better about myself. So yeah, this was a very good thing to have for me. So I do want to start off by saying that you do have to have a positive mindset and think about the good in things rather than the bad. So if you do have a negative mind, then there are loads and loads of ways that you can feel more positive. Like you can light yourself the coziest bath ever. This is something I love to do, so yeah, this is definitely one of my favourite things. So I would normally run the bath, put my favourite bubble bath in, put a bath bomb in, and just get really cozy and light all the candles. And yeah, this is one of my favourite things to do. So yeah, if you are feeling down, I do recommend that you do that and see if you feel any better. And then you could also watch one of your favourite films, and yeah, just do everything you love, like pamper yourself, do a skincare routine, do your hair, put a hair mask on, and just do every single thing you love. So that is one of the things. The next thing you could do is download Pinterest, as Pinterest has lots and lots and lots of positive quotes, and yeah, it just helps me along as well. So yeah, if you haven't followed me on Pinterest, then please do. I will leave it on the screen. But yeah, Pinterest has a lot of positive things on there. You can think about your dream home. There's a lot of positive quotes you can save, and yeah, there's lots of calming things on there as well. So yeah, you can literally find anything on there, and I love the app so much. So yeah, that's a good thing to download if you don't have it already. So yeah, like I said before, you can do something you love, whether it's beauty, makeup, doing yourself a pamper routine and just getting cozy, whether it's doing cleaning if you really enjoy doing that, or even if it's baking. Like, it's just so fun to do some baking, and then after that you could maybe chill and eat the stuff you've baked. So that's definitely something I would do, me. Like, I'd just scramble a lot, me. But yeah, there's lots of stuff that make you feel more positive about yourself. Just do something you really love to do, like drawing or something. So yeah, just do something you love. You never know, you might feel better about it, and you might feel better about yourself as well. So just give everything a try, make yourself feel a little bit better. Honestly, it would make you feel so much better in the long run as well. So yeah, definitely recommend that as well. Another top tip is to put yourself around some positive people. These may be your friends, family, neighbours, uncles, grandma and granddad. Just put yourself around positive people, anyone really. So just don't put yourself around negative people, because that can make you feel worse. So definitely put yourself around some more positive people. But yeah, this can make you feel a lot better about yourself if you put yourself around positive people instead of negative ones. So yeah, this will probably make you feel a bit better as well. Might make you feel a bit more confident as well, and might just give you a little tiny boost. So you could also keep a gratitude diary, and this is basically writing down every single day what you're grateful for, whether it's you're grateful for your family, grateful that you have this, grateful that I get to do this or that. And yeah, just write down everything you're grateful for, and yeah, it's just a really good thing to look back on. So you could also write down everything you feel bad about. So if you're having any down feelings, write all those down as well, and then you could also overcome them in time. If you just keep reading back on them, you could just think, oh, why was I feeling like that? Why was I feeling like this? But yeah, just try and write down everything you're feeling. It will help in the long run, and I promise you guys that you will feel positive. Just forget about anything that's putting you down. Just try and uplift yourself, and honestly, it makes you feel so much better. Also, just think to yourself that most things happen for a reason, and just think to yourself that better things are coming, and just try and stay positive. And yeah, this will really help you a lot. So as I said before, it's important to live in the moment. So yeah, just write down all your feelings and stuff, and if you can, tell them to someone you trust, like your family, maybe your friends, or maybe if you have to, get involved with like social anxiety line, if you know what I mean. So maybe someone out there can help you, like someone that has like experience in talking to people with depression and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys are feeling okay and everything. If you are feeling negative and if you are feeling positive, then keep going. Never ever ever feel like you need to be a bit negative, and yeah, just try and stay positive even if you do have a little negative day. But yeah, so yeah, just try and stay positive in the long run if you can. But if you do have to have a down day, then it's not all bad, you can just have a down day. Everyone has to have a down day at some point, and yeah, they will overcome it eventually. And yeah, that's what I'm trying to say, like just overcome everything. You'll overcome everything eventually. So yeah, just keep your head held high, and yeah, just try and do something you love to try and stay positive. You could also try new things out. So if you've never been running before, maybe start running then. I do running now and I feel so good about it. I've been running for about 5 weeks now, every single day. And yeah, I feel really good about it. Or even just if you have pets like dogs or something, go for a walk with them, or just get out if it's a nice day and go for a walk with your family. Or maybe if you've never baked something before and you really want to bake it, then try that. And maybe if you haven't tried, like if you've never tasted coffee before, try that. If you haven't tasted anything, just go out and buy what you haven't tried before. And yeah, I feel like that will be a fun idea to do. So yeah, just try new things, and you never know, you may like them and you might feel a bit better about yourself. So yeah, that's a really good thing to do. Just basically also tell yourself that you're strong and you can do this, because you can if you put your mind to it. So yeah, just try and stay positive. I know it's really hard for some people as they do have a lot of depression and stuff like that. Trust me, I've been down that road. But now I just think that I'm strong, I can do this, and you know what, even if I try and I fail, at least I've tried it, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I always think to myself. So I do have the negative days, like down days, so everyone has these, so don't think that everyone doesn't. But yeah, just try and stay positive. If you're feeling really upset and down about a relationship, this is normal because you get attached to people, and yeah, so you do need time out. Just try and stop thinking about them, and just try and do a hobby or something, like maybe do some gardening if it's nice, spend time with your family, do something really, really productive, and I promise you that your mind will eventually come off that person, and you will start to think that maybe that person was bad for me, maybe that person, obviously if they are broken up with you, obviously they mustn't have been good for you. Like honestly, just please be really positive about it, try and move past it. I know it takes so long, but just try and forget about the past if you can. Eventually it will go away and you will start to feel a lot more positive. Trust me, I've been there in the past, as I've cried like for months and months and months on end. But yeah, now I just think that that person was a waste of space. I absolutely despise them, and now I just really don't care what they think anymore. I really don't care what people think of me. Like if they want to think I'm a bad person, if they want to think that I'm ugly or anything, I really don't care. I think I'm beautiful, so you know what I mean, just see the positives in yourself. So yeah, just think that you are, sometimes I think that maybe I'm too good for people. That sounds a bit bitchy, but you know what I mean. I just think I'm a really positive person and I deserve a little bit more than someone who's going to treat me like crap, essentially. So yeah, just if someone was treating you like crap, they are definitely not for you. Just go out and try and find someone that's really nice. I know it's so hard to do that. That's why I'm currently single, because those loads and loads of guys are literally so mean. So yeah, just try and find someone that's nice to talk to. Even if you don't have anyone, just talk to your family. Like you can get past them by just talking to your family and forgetting about them. And yeah, so you'll get someone eventually. But anyway, this isn't a relationship talk. This is just a how to stay positive video. So if you did enjoy this video, then like this video and subscribe down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry that I have rambled on literally for so long. But yeah, Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in my next video.